What's up, guys? Welcome to the next video in the WordPress site building simplified course. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up the web hosting and domain name to create a bare bones site in which you can now go ahead and install WordPress, your themes, content, and start making money, hopefully. So the first step would be to get the name servers from host. And if you recall from the previous video, I told you to make sure to bookmark the email that your host sends you, your web host sends you, that has all your information in. The information you need will be the name servers, your cPanel URL, and your cPanel login information. And then you want to input the name servers into the registrar, and then add the add-on domain in cPanel, and then wait. If this sounds complicated right now, don't worry, because I'll be doing it right in front of your eyes right now. So let's get straight to it. So what you first want to do is go ahead and log into your registrar. In my case, I use Namecheap, but if you use GoDaddy, 1&1, or some of that sort, you have to log into there and do the same steps. The process is similar in all registrars. All registrars will have a edit name server option. So as you can see, I'm already logged in. I'm going to go ahead and go to my dashboard. As you can see, these are the domains I have. I'm going to go ahead and click on manage for graffititest.com, which is a domain I'll be using to demonstrate in this video. So click on manage, and then you want to go ahead and click on advanced DNS, and then wait for the page to load. Page is not loading right now. Sorry guys, my internet's kind of slow for some reason. Let me try to reload Namecheap. Dashboard, manage, advanced DNS. Okay, this is good for you guys because you see exactly the possible mistakes that can happen and whatnot. But you want to go ahead and go to host records and go to change DNS type. And then you have all these settings. You want to make sure it's checked on custom, and then enter your name servers down here, ns1graffititheme.com and ns2graffititheme.com. These are my name servers. Here you want to copy and paste the name servers that your host gave you, and then you just want to click on save changes. But wait, that is only half the process. We are not done yet. Another piece of information that came in the email from your host will be your cPanel URL and your cPanel login information. So my cPanel URL is this, and you'll be prompted to log in. I'm gonna go ahead and log in real quick, enter my password, and it should work. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video and come back with my password. Alright, sorry about that guys, but I went ahead and entered my password. I wanted to pause the video because I didn't want privacy issues and whatnot going on. So now that we have logged in, this is what it'll look like. The cPanel looks like. So it'll look like this. Usually, no matter what host you have, there might be a few cosmetic differences, like this banner might be changed. But besides that, the cPanel should be all the same. The next step in order to setting your domain up would be to scroll down and look for add-on domains, which should be under the domains tab. And you want to click on add-on domains. And you want to enter your new domain name. In my case, it was the domain name that I just registered on Namecheap, which was graffititest.com. And you had to set up a password for it, and then your password, you type in your password again. In this case, I already have it set up so that for the purpose of this video, I won't have to wait for it to register a name server. But what you want to do is enter your domain. This stuff will autofill, enter a password, and just click add domain, and there you go, you are done. So once you've done that, you might have to wait an hour or two, or maybe up to 24 hours. It really depends on the registrar you use and the hosting company you are, but usually with Namecheap and HostGator, it's usually done within minutes. Within 10 minutes you have your website up and running. So once you've done that, if you go to the domain that you just created, graffititest.com, you will end up with a page similar to this. It'll just be FTP quota and CGI bin, and this is a sign that you have successfully set up your domain. And that's it. That's the hard part's done. Now what comes after is setting up WordPress, the themes, and whatnot. So that's it for this video. So I have showed you step by step how to set up your domain and set up your name servers. Next video, I'll be showing you more on how to set up your website and make it more aesthetically pleasing. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.